What's going on, everybody? Pro Trader Mike. Hope you had a great night last night. Great day today. Profitable as could be. Coins, tokens, stocks. Get rich with the GPU mining or die, folks. See that? Dude, it's so hot in that damn warehouse. I'm dying in there. Woo! Thing's crazy. Let me show you this move we just did on Riot blockchain in the MOJO Day Trade room. Check it out. Look at this move right here. In the last 30 minutes, it just went from 5 through Heinz 5, ripped to 6. Check it out. All played in the MOJO Day Trade room. Let me show you the room. Right here, I was just cranking out a couple of, it's a little bit of work. Renteria, real volumes coming in. He made great on that. Great on that. Everybody's pushing Heinz. Riot's moving right there at 211. I saw the move on it right here at 211 in the afternoon right there, making a move. So I tell the room we're going to go jump in the Riot. It's on 44. It's going to go now, which is $5.44. Cranking it. Now it's at 590, 595. We're going to hit it through 6. Boom, it goes through 6. I tell you, look, it's going to go higher. It did. Great call. Cha-ching the register. Cha-ching. This guy's putting out spam in the room. I don't like that. So then we have ding, ding, ding. We got that. Out at 15. Here's the move right there at 615. Beautiful break move for Mojo. Great job trading Mr. Link 2. And putting out 460 for Mr. Alpha Man. Great job. Nice trading, Alpha. Good job on that. Beautiful move onto the high of 618. MGTI Heinz. Oh, look, Jungle put up a thing. Let me take a look for you, Jungle Man. MGTI. Camel Toe did good. No, MGTI is not enough volume, bro, but good look. If it was trading 92 million shares at this particular time, maybe. But not 922,000. Okay, you know that from Mojo University. NVIDIA, I picked to go through 250 today. I'll show you the trading from this morning. Let me scroll on back. And you always should subscribe to my channel, guys. This way, you click the bell, you'll get alerted. You see the shark swimming around down there. Follow the shark, and when he swims for the dollar bill, just give it a little click. Show you what I mean. There he is. All right, let me show you how we started the day right here. And welcome Brandon Coin, actually. I'm speaking to Brandon. Welcome to my room. Hope you like the day today. Let me show you what we did in the day trade room. Came in at 924. You'll notice most of the people, the competitors out there that do videos like me in the morning, they didn't do one this morning. They had nothing to talk about, really. I didn't do mine. Nothing to follow. So everyone said good morning, and then we're in DWT 772, trend trade over 8. DWT went to 781 this morning from 771. It didn't go up to any of these numbers. AMRH 204, there's a 155. Put it here, sold 210. 208 by 209, quick and easy. AMRH for the quick $465 on the first trade. And it's 3 minutes into the open. Then we're going to hit it again, looking at 197, stops off to 213. Then it goes to 223. Then right here we go $13 on Nugget. JNUG right there, 12.97. JNUG high was 13.10. A good trade on JNUG right there through 13. Then we picked the ZSAN at 444. Made a move to 470 on ZSAN. There's 460 by 463. Then we made a move on TVIX. Beautiful move up through 38. Then we traded AMRH, TVIX, JNUG, and UWT for 5,196.75. Unrealized 1,238. Got 10,000 ZSAN, UWT, TVIX, and AMRH. Closed it out here, AMRH 3,600 with unrealized 605. Got some UWT and some ZSAN. Then I closed out the positions, got AMRH left for 7,777.50, unrealized 500. Mike made 93, confused profitable, which is good. I'm just trying to straighten him out. Trading off his shirt tails. Cord 161, trade a Patsy 90, 75, but would have been down 450. Came back green. Without Mike, you would have been down 450. That's bad. So at least you got back $75 on the positive. And then TVIX entry 37.60 back up to 38. We did that beautiful. Went right back up to 38. I uploaded all 8 classes of MOJO University. Is now complete. This is my teaching for MOJO University. If you go to my website, mojodaytrading.com, I have my infamous courses. And you can go do the day trading school if you're interested in day trading for a living but haven't found success. Since 2012, we've proven success by giving traders the skills and the tools to become very profitable, a tailored system for each trader. And if you scroll down here, that's me. You can check out the profit system. I got to put my mask on. Yeah. There we go. Boom. Whew. Whew, feel better now. So that's me. And you don't need $1 million for a trading account actually to make money every day. You should check out the MOJO Day Trading School right now while it's free. I'm developing my crypto school. Download the course. Just click this button and you'll be taken to the MOJO Day Trading School. You can enroll in the course. It's completely free. It's what is day trading, why 9 out of 10 day traders fail, the importance of a routine, steps, everything you need to trade right here. Stocks 102 and stocks 103 and stocks 104, stocks 105. What's the Hulk trade play? Let's check it out. The Hulk trade play is 3 gamma bars in the first 15 minutes on the open caused me to call out the Hulk trade play. You got to know what that is in MOJO University and really succeed. So right there, I have the courses up top as well in the top nav tab up top. Click that. Listen to my video on how I started with trading, what it's all about right there. Then scroll down. You can always see all the courses right here and be taken, and you can see all the courses. Alan's teaching, my student right here, is teaching the live class in August. The online course is completely uploaded with classes 1 to 8 right here from June. Go ahead and watch that. You can even preview class 1 is open for anyone that wants a preview of MOJO University right here. It's all video. Who doesn't? Does everyone know what that means? Do you know what that means? See how I teach? Right off the learning boards. That's me right there. And that's what I like. Look, wonderful class. Introduction to the MOJ is the best. Love the continual reviews. Completed my class. Picked up some new pointers. Dude, this is the shit right here. Class 1 of this right down here. Look, always refreshing. Alan, 13 days ago, took it in MOJO U 17 times. Look at that, 7 times. And I'm taking it again. Always refreshing to repeat MOJO U, even for a 5-year veteran like myself. Also love the 1-hour format. Gotta like that, man. And then Raimi, I'm jealous that I can't live the cycle of the MOJO U. As per introduction, it's more information, extremely motivational. Liam, Elise, John Claude, Jared, got a lot of nice, I have thousands and thousands of comments on these courses. And if you take the course, you'll leave some comments and stuff. 95 cents, just below. See how I teach it right there? Ingraining it in your brain about the Heinz trade play. Got to take these courses. 36 hours of power-packed edutainment, man. Right on the MOJO site. So we triangled out on UWT right here. You see it at 32. UWT, 33.50. Up $1.50 on UWT, trading that ETF today. Beautiful moves on UWT and DGAS. So I mentioned right here, you should be looking at the high-low list for stocks going across 90 cents for Heinz. Those are the ones you should be put into the room. Nobody seems to be doing that. No one seems to be doing that. Everyone seems to be in outer space, like wild. I don't know what you're doing, like caught in a web of craziness, but you got to get out of it. Once you get out of it, then it makes it a little bit easier. Here. Back to artificial intelligence. Nobody knows I'm really a robot, do you? I'm really a robot. They maneuvered Watson after me. All right, so I'll show you how we trade in the MOJO room with artificial intelligence and Watson. I'm creating a profile on all the traders to make the ultimate trader of artificial intelligence. Let me get out of my program. Got to get out of that artificial intelligence program. So I have these, let me show you like this IBM Watson stuff I got going on right here. Where else you're an idiot? If a guy does a video and he says and you know every other word, it's really
IBM Watson Education Classroom platform provides teachers and school administrators with a simple and easy way to view data to help them understand their class and individual student progress, review and plan instruction tailored to individual student needs, as well as communicate with other teachers, staff, and parents. The notes feature in both the web-based Watson Lite and Watson Element iPad app allow educators to foster communication with one another. To add notes about your students in Watson Lite, you may do so several ways. From your class's overview page, you may search for a student, you may locate the student via the student's page for that respective class.
So I'm creating the ultimate model through IBM Watson of the perfect trader and his traits, consistency, and scalability, and what they've done to prove a model that can be programmed with artificial intelligence. And then we nailed UWT right there. See it? Boom. Awesome. Then we nailed right here. So that was your big one. If you didn't play that one, you were confused because that was my big one. I came back in. All right, right here. You should be looking at the high-low list for stocks that are going across 90 cents for Heinz. Those are the ones that should be put into the room. Nobody seems to be doing that every single day. I seem to be mentioning it. I say this over and over every single day, and I teach it also in the courses, but everybody seems not to do it. It's like a parent telling you need to go get dressed before you go outside, and you just keep on going outside without putting your clothes on. It's just not going to work. It's just not going to work. There's wave theory, pro traders. What are you going to get after the first stock makes a 90-cent move? Nothing. It goes up, it flags, it goes all the way to the right. You don't get anything. Come on, wake up. Been offline. Z-San made 62. Good job, Brandon. UWT headed to 34. At 34. Great pick. That was your big play. If you didn't get it, you were confused. Didn't enter because it went 33.40, all green, thought it was too, no, did a sequence up. Riot Heinz, $5. Dude, that was your play right there. You should have made thousands on that one too. 10K this week for Mr. Link. Riot, riot, riot. 590, buy it. 595. It's going to go through 6. Boom, 611. I mean, come on, guys. Great call, Mike. Crypto made money, and he's focused on the wrong thing. There you go. Write another one there, Mr. Confused. I don't understand. Am I talking about flex? And then what are you going to say if you lose on it? Oh, Mike didn't even talk about that one. He was in the other one, and I should have just followed him blindly. Because that's what Alan does. He just buys when Mike buys and sells when Mike sells. So you need to do it blindly. Because I told you it was going. And Link made good money. Right there, look, 615 right on the rip through. Made 460. And that's it. That's how we got caught up. In and out of BTC over 60, right over the Heinz. Beautiful. Link too, doing that one. AQXP's got signals. That was my birthday pick. Last couple Augusts ago, it cranked up. It's at 299. Yeah, cool. May go up again tomorrow. Coming out of a base, got a lot of room to fill. Could be a possible beautiful $3 blast right up to $354 on AQXP. Very low risk, very high up reward. I like that for a swing pick. AQXP swing, bringing back memories of a couple of Augusts ago. I could send that out as a swing. Everybody that's in my swing newsletter subscription is going to get an email now with that pick in it. To pick up a little bit for $3. It's got 2.1. I like it. Let me see how long it takes me to make an email. All right, here we go. Symbol's AQXP. Equinox Pharmaceuticals, it's called. AQUINOX Pharma. And the symbol is AQXP. So it looks like it can gap up. It's got low risk and high reward. Play one direction only and buy 3 times. $2.95 to $3. Then $3 to $3.05. Then $3.05 to $3.10. Target $3.50, then $4. Once 2 years ago, this stock went from 3 to 55 in 3 days. See image below of that. I'll show you that trade. So if you're in the newsletter, you're loving this. Let's check it out. Desktop. Image. AQXP. Here it is. Let me do another search. I want to show you a different picture of it. Here's when the stock went from on August 3rd from 2 to 11, and then to 55. So today is Tuesday, July 17th, 2018. Done. Hi Mojo Traders, new pick. 7/17/2018, new pick, AQXP. Done, it's out. Send to one list. I'm going to add the crypto list on it. Done. All right, watch this email come in now. All right. Sweet. Check out the email coming in. Let me know if you guys get it. Anyone else? Thoughts on ECA? I'll give you a thought on it. ECA, 1296 by 97. Already came from 1276, and it took all day long. I'd say freaking forget about it. Up a nickel, down a dime. You know what I got today? Yo, Brandon, I think you'll like this today. This is what I'm building today. I'm building a Zotac 1070 Ti rig today. Beautiful, these Zotacs, man. Right here, I got a whole bunch of them. Gosh. I have like 14 of them. So many Zotacs. Because I'm building 2 7 GPU rigs right now with these babies. Yo, there's a good deal, Brandon. These babies, $400, dude. The 1070 Ti, it's brand new, bro. You get a discount, and then after the discount, I get a 30% discount on top of that, bro. That's how you get that's how you save, and then you build rigs that you can resell for more than you bought, more than you paid for, and use them for a while, because they're sweet, 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 sweet rigs. Absolutely. Let me see what I got here. Nice. See this right here? This is my third monitor. See, this is where everybody sees my screen. I know my screen share is on right there. See that? So I'm going to end the screen share. So now my screen share, that's why my computer was bogging a little bit. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you some of my learning boards that I've been developing for, like, what is a token? Let me show you what a token is. So what are cryptocurrencies is the first one. First, let me show you this one right here. Come down to the crypto trading. I'll put it into Mojo University right here. This learning board. Clyde, the owner of Mojo, has requested to block any most accurate robo hamsters that explicit. Seems like we found one, so your message has been sent. Please be nice. What? Woo, there's an owner of the MOJO Day Trading has requested that Discord block any message. Dude, I'm the owner. What are you talking about? What's going on with that? Whoa, yeah, I'm getting it there. Let me see some settings in my room here. All right, let's see if that worked. I changed a couple settings. Yup, see, all I had to do is change a setting, man. So here's my board. What's a cryptocurrency? Right here. So here's the Mojo Day Trade room. Let's open up this image right here in a big old thing. Right here. So what are cryptocurrencies? Let's start with the understanding the definition of cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrencies are digital or virtual currencies that are encrypted or secured using cryptography. Cryptography refers to the use of encryption techniques to secure and verify the transfer of the transaction. Bitcoin represents the first decentralized cryptocurrency, which is powered by a public ledger that records and validates all transactions chronologically, called the blockchain. Let me give you the next one. Whoops. So the next one is what are altcoins? And then the next one is tokens. So altcoins are alternative cryptocurrency coins. That's why they're called alternative. Say alt. Called altcoins, simply coins. They're often used interchangeably. Altcoins simply refers to coins that are an alternative to Bitcoin. The majority of altcoins are variant forks of Bitcoin using Bitcoin's open source original protocol with changes to the underlying codes, therefore conceiving an entirely new coin with a different set of features. A commonality of all altcoins is that each possess their own independent blockchain where transactions relating to their native coins occur in. And then what's a token? Tokens are a representation of a particular asset or utility that usually resides on top of another blockchain. Tokens represent a basic asset that are fungible and tradable, from commodities to loyalty points to even other cryptocurrencies. Creating tokens is a much easier process as you don't have to modify the codes of a particular protocol to create a blockchain from scratch. All you have to do is follow a template of blockchains such as Ethereum or Waves that allows you to create your own token. Functionality of creating a token is made possible through the use of smart contracts, programmable computer codes that are self-executing and don't need any third parties to operate. It's really super cool. So basically, in layman's terms, what a token is, it's like a private placement. You have a token that's going to become an ICO and or token that trades on the exchange interchangeably. So let's say like JP Morgan, the Crypterium token that I bought, and I bought a couple of other tokens, and I paid 0.0001 Bitcoin for the token. I threw $100 at it. So if it ever decided to do an ICO, like an IPO is, an initial public offering, an initial coin offering, same thing. But before that stage, you're starting off as a private placement, like at $1 or 50 cents or a penny. So you own it at a penny, and it goes public as an IPO at $25, you're rich. But you can't get the private placements, and you can't get the IPOs because they go to special clients at the firms. So they go to the special clients. You can't even get them. But these, they're open range. You just go out into the field with your and bang out a couple of tokens, get a couple of ICOs. All right, enough. There's no one here. Oh, there is someone at the door. Hold on. I know. Yeah, the dogs know when the UPS guy's here, that's for sure. The dogs know that. The dogs know when the UPS guy's here, that's for sure. Now let's see what we got. We got something. I had to send them back like freaking Amazon. I'm never buying off them again. I bought a card new, a gigabyte. They sent it to me used. Used. A used gigabyte, dude. And the used gigabyte broke. It wasn't even working properly. It's the one I sent back. Look what I just got. You'll like this. See? What these are I'll show you. I've gotten, since the show, before the show, I got 2 phone calls today. Since I started the show, I've gotten 11 phone calls. The hell is that? So let me show you what this is. These are black sleeved, just take this off, VGAs. Okay? The reason why I got these is because the other ones that come with the PCU guys come with the double, and those are good for like 1080 Ti's and those kind of cards because they require 2. So I'm using those to build 1080s, and I'm using these to replace those on the rigs that I already have. And I need to replace 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them right here. So that's going with them Zotecs today down there. That's what I got going on. And I'm mining Ethereum right now, just around 5,000 mega hash. So we'll see what that looks like right now as well. ECA is actually moving up to 98. I got to get it off my screen. TVIX took a dumping. We can look into that if you want to do a trade, but let me take a look. So that's basically what the tokens are. I got a lot of good tokens, guys. I got, let me show you some of the tokies I got. So those are the tokens. I put it in crypto down here, crypto trading. You can get these Viola tokens right here. So let's open this. And I'll show you what the Viola tokens are. This is restoring trust and transparency in the $800 billion love industry. And you can buy your tokens, which are closing in 13 days. So you could throw $100 at it, guys. And if it does what Crypterium does, you're going to make freaking 10, 20, 30 grand, man.
The advancement of technology has provided more options for dating and relationships, but it has also presented singles and couples with new challenges. There is a huge trust problem in the love industry. Online love scammers are making billions of dollars a year, preying on lonely hearts. There is no easy way for singles to find out someone's actual relationship status. Enter Viola AI, the world's first project to combine love with blockchain and AI technology. Viola AI is here to restore trust and transparency in the love industry. Here's what Viola AI can do. Viola AI Rel Registry. Henry creates a profile on Viola AI. Viola AI will match his photo with a real-time video scan of his face, verifying these against his social media accounts. In addition, Viola AI will also search within its relationship registry to ascertain Henry's relationship status. Henry met Elizabeth from his place of work, and they started to date. Through Viola AI's registry, Henry can check if Elizabeth is recorded as single, in a relationship, engaged, or married. Their relationship progresses well, and they decide to tie the knot. Henry and Elizabeth register their marriage and declare their commitment to each other on Viola AI. They also select the relevant smart contracts and buy them with Violet tokens. Their marriage is then patched onto the blockchain. Blockchain technology enables Rel Registry to be decentralized, immutable, and accessible to all. Viola AI recommendations. Currently, with so many available websites, forums, and resources online, it's hard for singles and couples to pick the best dating and relationship advice. Through deep learning about each other's personality, background, and behavior, Viola AI can provide timely and relevant recommendations to Henry, whether it's for ideas, goods, services, and even advice to improve his relationship with Elizabeth. When Henry wants to surprise Elizabeth on their anniversary, Viola AI will recommend the right gifts, and Henry can purchase them on Viola AI directly from the merchants. When Henry faces a relationship problem with Elizabeth, Viola AI can give advice, ask the community for tips, and refer him to helpful resources. Viola AI Open Source. Viola AI technology is not just aimed at solving problems in the love industry. It is the core of a new registration, verification, and recommendation engine to provide innovative and secure solutions for all other industries.
Dudes, you see that? You see that, Viola? Artificial intelligence? Dude, you have no idea. I'm going to end the show on this information about the future. All my peeps out there that want a glimpse into the future, let me give it to you. That's what I sound like to most people when I talk about Bitcoin and the blockchain. Can you believe that? Can you believe that? Jeez, let me give you the secret. You see what they said in that video, how artificial intelligence? Let me show you how intelligent they're getting with online security and validity. It's called a key, a KYC. Whenever you, in the future, people are going to register, so you can just open up a brokerage account and send in the forms and not much verification, Just fill out the paperwork and send it in. It could be anybody. It could be anybody. EC. But we're not in ECA, dude. Nor looking at it. Nor looking at it. So why the chat? To make yourself feel good? You picked it, and it's up 3, and you picked it, but I folded. Really? Really? That's what you do? Anyway, you have to, like, for the token, you have to write the token, the date on a piece of paper. Like today I did the AMO ICO. The AMO coin.ICO on 7/17 of 2, and I had to put my license under there and hold it with my face and send it in for verification so that they knew it was me. Dude, how freaking secure is that? That's how everybody's going to be moving, getting into the money train. You want to be on the money train and move your coins and tokens and money around? You're going to have to be verified, bro. They got it all figured out, man. It's called the KYC. Where do you see what the KYC you have to go through to get verified? Front and back of your license, fucking passport, so much, utility bills. You got to prove who you are, man. There ain't no fiddling around with it. I have no idea what anyone's doing. No one talks. I just found it on the scanner and did what you suggested. Okay. Do you need people to talk to find a Heinz? No. People in here never talk. Ever. Like pulling teeth. Get used to it. Yeah, get used to it. Oh, I'm not even on the mic. Look at that. Yeah, get used to it, guys. People don't chat in here or do shit. Get used to it. Learn what hands to play, what hands to fold. If you didn't make your money in the beginning of the day, it's probably not going to be made. You missed it. Tomorrow's another day. Tomorrow's another day. You had Riot and you had DWT. Those were the plays. You had to be waiting patient. Look at Riot. It's at 635 now. And you're looking at Flex or whatever that stock is. Flex. I'm over here. Flex and ECA. Flex is 14.96. It just went down in the last 10 minutes. And the other one is this ECA. And it went up 2 cents. And my Riot pick is 635 now, new high. And I gave out Mara with it that just set a new high too, $1.25 ripping. Could have done Shrack. I gave Shracks earlier, right there, 536, almost at a new high. You just off base. You don't like to hear it either, I know, whatever. You don't like to hear it. Makes you seem like you can't do it, but you can. I gotta send this guy an email right now. Email address. LA, here it is. Done. See, Jeff Williams is in Mara. Jeff Williams is in it, bro. Penny Pro. See, I just got his email, bro. Look, Penny, he's even in it. Look, netted 550 on DRUS. And right now, Bitcoin's hot, so he's in DPW, Mara, and Riot. Just like I sent out my newsletter, he sent out his newsletter right after me. There you go. And my room just, look what happened to my room. Big time problem with my room just happened. My room just shunked out. Opening the doors. Opening the bay doors. Come on, open the bay doors. Anyway, I just put out my newsletter. You saw me make it. He got it. He just put out his newsletter. You saw me do that. Plain out in day, guys, right? Look. Well, that was AQXP. But, dude, that's what I'm talking about. He's doing good. That's good. It's a good pick, Riot. That's a good one to be in. Probably show some continuation. Oh, that's beautiful. That's a beautiful move. Let me see where the coins are doing. Trade Satoshi was down. I'm trying to sell some coin to get some coin free. And they're down. Look at that shit. Trade Satoshi. Bitch. Look at that. Trade Satoshi down. I got some freaking coins going into that Trade Satoshi. Let's see what Bitcoin is doing. 68. Oh my God, it's up 10%, 7,000. Shit. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. That's what I'm fucking talking about. That's what I'm talking about right there. My fucking room is down and shit. Want to open back up. I want to show you the goods that I did right there. Dang, rabbit. Look at that Bitcoin, boys. And that Ethereum at 500. It's exactly where I told you it was going, boys. Let me show you my Twitter. Look at this, mamas. Look at this, mamas. Oh, look at that, mama. Dude, better ask somebody. I'm a pro trader on the MOJO team. Yo, baby. Better ask somebody. Yo, if you're getting burned by your shmuru, that's a schmuck guru, dude, you're in the wrong fucking room, brothers. Check it out. I'm sick and loving them profits that the MOJO room comes out with. Better check that shit out real good. Where's my picks, boys? Here they are. Right there. 65.98 to go through Sine 6600 to continue. Ethereum to go to 500. Litecoin to go to 100. Monero to 150. And ETN to 15. On the sparking mojo. Freaking yeah. I can't wait to get off this video and go look at my balances, baby. Look at that. Bitcoin 7,300, Ethereum 500, XMR 143, and ETN 12, baby. Yeah. That's how we rock and roll. Pro Trader Mike signing off. Peace. Keep it profitable, and I'll see you tomorrow.